friends, this is Miss Jean. We have just finished reading a great book, and it's called The Bear Snores On. And in this book, we saw Bear and a whole lot of his friends in a cave, and they had themselves a little tea party, didn't they? Well, we are going to have ourselves a little party. Do you have a little friend, a little bear friend, or maybe a little toy of some sort, a doll, or a baby Yoda, or even a truck? It doesn't matter. If you have a little toy, let's play a game with that. Now, I'm using a teddy bear because we're going to hug our toy, and it's softer to hug a teddy bear than a car. But if you prefer a car or a truck, you go ahead and get it. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay? Hug, hug, hug your bear, squeeze him very tight. Hold him high and help him fly. Then hug with all your might. Very good. Let's do that again. Are you ready? Hug, hug, hug your bear, squeeze him very tight. Hold him high and help him fly. Then hug with all your might. Good job. Now, let's try another game with our little friend. That was good singing, by the way. Let's try having our bear disappear. Oh, it's gone. Where will it be next? It's on my shoulder. Can you put your toy on your shoulder? Nice. It's gone again. Where will it be? My bear is on my head. Gone again. Where did he go? He's on my elbow. Can you put it on your elbow? Nice. That's good. Where did Miss Jean go? Behind the bear. Were you behind your toy? Oh, he whispered in my ear. He says he would like to play a little more game. Are you ready? He's gone. Where is he now? Can you guess? There he is. He was hiding behind my hand. He's gone again. I wonder where he'll be. Let's think about it. Peek. There he is. Where is he now? Peek. There he is. Uh-oh. He's all gone. Peekaboo. There he is. Did you play peekaboo with your toy too? Okay, let's do this. Where's Miss Jean? Where are you? Are you hiding behind your toy? Where are you? Peekaboo. There you are. Peek. That was fun. I like to play a hide-and-seek game with you. That was very fun. Now we are going to do some more pretending. Let's pretend that our fingers are two little bears. Now, if you have little finger puppets like this, or anything, you could pretend those are the little friends. Maybe you could call them bears. You could just say, my little friend, and you could do it like that. But for right now, I'm going to just pretend with my fingers. And because our story was about bears and their friends, I'm going to use two bears. Two little black bears. Are you ready? Get your fingers ready. Here we go. Two little black bears sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Run away, Jack. Run away, Jill. Come again, Jack. Come again, Jill. Good job. Two little black bears digging in the snow. One named Fast, the other named Slow. Run away fast. Run away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. That was good. You did fast and slow great. Two little black bears feeling very proud. One named Quiet, the other named Loud. Run away away loud. Come back quiet. Come back loud. Excellent. Did you do quiet and loud? Good job, good job. Two little blackbirds sitting in the snow. One talks high, one talks low. Run away high, run away low. Come back high, come back low. High and low, but also their voices, high and low. Can you do that? Low, high. Two little black bears. Two pretend little black bears, right? That was a fun game. I am so glad that you came to play some games with me today. And I am so glad that you listened to our story. Now I hope you have a fun time with your toys for the rest of the day. And I'm going to have some fun time playing with my little bear friend. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.